Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today with a little share. I think I've received Happy Mail, and it comes from Kathy O'Sullivan. She's a local here in Arizona, probably about 2 hours away from me-ish. And I did cut the package open, but I didn't look at anything. Girl, thank you, Kathy. Not sure what this is, but I appreciate you thinking of me. Aww. Let's see, Maka. Just a few things that made me think of you. Hugs, my crafty friend. Oh my gosh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for thinking of me. Oh my goodness, all kinds of stuff in here. Okay, let's pull everything out and then I'll show you guys one at a time. Oh, Kathy, you didn't have to do this. I appreciate it so much, so much. Look how beautiful. I love these lashes. I don't have anything with the lashes. Love it. This is beautiful trim. Thank you so much. And then, oh wow. Ooh, I love this tropic stuff. It's a planner notes, notebook carnet. Is that how you say it? It is from Happy Planner. Oh, thank you, girl. I love it. Maybe this will encourage me to plan a little more. Thank you. Oh, look, it's Tink. She's so cute. Thank you so much, Kathy. Thank you. And then she shared, wow, what are these? These are clear stamps. Wow. Look at all of these. Oh my goodness. This is way too much, Kathy. Thank you so much for sending all of this goodness. I don't believe it. Thank you so much. Look at this big giraffe. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And then, sorry about that. It cut off somewhere. But I received these two stickers from her. And they look like planner stickers as well. Happy Girls Shine Brighter. And then palm trees, ocean breeze, salty hair, sun-kissed hair, endless summer, take me there. Yes, right now I am looking forward to some outside sunshine. Being stuck in the house, you know, I'm over it, really. Here's another. And then she included just a whole bunch of different, what are these? They're like little, oh, like you can put them in your planner to hide notes or whatever. Those are cool. I've never seen those before. And then bunches of different stickers. Love it. I don't know if you call it planning. I mean, I do play in a planner, but I'm not very good at planning in it. I have uploaded a video of a layout I did, and pretty much I think that's why I have the planner, so I can decorate it. Maybe not so much to put notes and stuff in it. But anyway, Kathy, thank you so much. I really appreciate you thinking of me and for sending me all this lovely goodness. I truly, truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. And I hope you guys are all having a crafty week and staying healthy and safe. Till the next video, shakas. Yeah, look at the Tinkerbells. The washi with the lashes. She totally just hooked it all up.